everyone. Today I have another story for you. The title of the story is Let Go of the Hatred. This story is about how all of us, be it small children or the experienced old people, they love to carry the grudge against others, and how it is actually spoiling your own life by doing all this. Better to lead a happy life and let others also be happy. So the story says that we have to be kindled about all these things right from our childhood, and everything should not be taught in a serious manner. So the kindergarten teacher thought of teaching good values to the small children, and she decided to play a game with them. She asked each child in the class to bring along few potatoes in a plastic bag, and she asked them that each potato will be given a name of a person whom the child hated the most in his life. So in this way, the number of potatoes that each child will put in his or her plastic bag will totally depend on the number of people he or she hates. Small babies are always very prompt, as you also were when you were small babies. So the smallies the very next day did exactly what the teacher had said, and they came with some potatoes and the name of the people he or she hated written on them. One child had some problem with his baby sister, so he just brought one potato, while some had 2, 3, 4 according to the people that they hated, while some went to bring 5 potatoes as well. The children were anxiously waiting for the game to proceed, and the teacher then told the children to carry the potatoes in the plastic bag which they had brought with the name written on it wherever they went for 1 week. Now the plastic bag was obviously tied up, and every day the children would carry that plastic bag with them, and they carried it wherever they were going. But the polythene bag was tied. So as the days started to pass by, the children started to complain of the unpleasant smell that was coming out, because the potatoes now had begun to get rotten. Apart from that, the other problem with those who were carrying 5 potatoes was all the more miserable, because they also had to carry the heavier bags along with the school bag. When Saturday was to approach, the children were to be relieved because the game was finally coming to an end. Now the children came to class, and the teacher inquired as to how each of them felt while they were carrying the potatoes with them for 1 week wherever they were going. The children as though waited to get rid of that bag. So one along with the other, they started to let their frustrations come out with the complaint and the trouble that they were going through to carry that heavy bag, the smelling bag. The students were wanting to know as to what the teacher was trying to teach them. One of them asked, "You have to tell us what is this game and how does it matter?" Then the teacher told them the hidden meaning behind that game. The teacher made them sit down and very calmly told them, "This is exactly the situation, children, when you carry your hatred for somebody inside your heart. Remember, children, God has given each one of us a beautiful heart, a tender heart, and if you are going to carry on this hatred, it will contaminate your heart and you will carry it with you forever wherever you go. Remember, all of y'all, this now I am telling you people, please understand, take a lesson from this, that when those children, and even if you were to be carrying, if you were told to carry the potatoes and if had they gone rotten, was it easier for you to tolerate? No. In the same manner, when you cannot tolerate the smell of rotten potatoes and when you cannot carry the load of the rotten potatoes that you were wanting to, for just 1 week it was, imagine what it is when we are carrying indefinite hatred that is going to make us and our heart also get overloaded and we will not feel happy anywhere. Lead a free life, thanking God, praising God for creating such a beautiful world and creating you above all. Throw away all that is negative inside you. Throw away the unnecessary pulling down people, carrying tales, wrong tales, unnecessary informations, and causing problem not only to others but also to your own self, because it is, you feel very easy to throw someone into a bin, but after that you also cannot rest. You are going to be all the more restless, loaded with the load of the nuisance that you have done. Throw away any hatred for anyone from your heart so that you will be feeling free and you will not have to carry any burden for a lifetime. Believe me, forgiving others is the best, because maybe in your life you must have forgiven and yet that person may not have treated you well or must have continued to ill-treat. Well, that is that person's nature, that person's behavior. For that, God is there to either punish that person and teach, or teach in a different manner. But you do your part of being a gentle heart, a good heart, a light-hearted person. Forgive others. That is the best attitude to take. Feeling negative for anyone or about them is not very good. Negativity about someone will keep you also and your mindset from peace of your own mind. And therefore, it is far better to remember the goodness of others and forget the hatred, and that's how we come back to where we had started from. So let go of the hatred. Let the other person either feel ashamed or happy, free, light-hearted, and carry on forgiving others, leading a happy life. Have a nice day, children. God bless you.